If you're looking to reduce fuel consumption in your vehicle and you don't know how, then you should be watching this video. I will unveil a few tips and tricks. Before we move on to our video, I have a huge announcement to make for my Romanian subscribers. I'm launching a second channel called 99 Vehicles TV Romania, and I will be making videos in Romanian. So it will be a similar channel to this one, but the main difference will be in the language. This channel will be exclusively in English, while the other one will be in Romanian. So if you live in Romania, for my loyal Romanian subscribers, please follow my Romanian 99 Vehicles TV Romania YouTube channel. And now moving to our video, fuel consumption. Number 1, driving at constant speed. When you drive at constant speed, fuel consumption will drop. It doesn't matter if you drive at 50 km per hour or at 80 km per hour. Driving at constant speed rather than decelerating and accelerating, decelerating and accelerating again will result in a lower fuel consumption. At 80 km per hour and below that speed, we have a lower air resistance. At that speed and below 80 km per hour, we also have a lower rolling resistance, which will result in a lower friction force with the ground. At over 100 km per hour, fuel consumption will exponentially increase because friction forces with both the ground and the air will exponentially increase. It's something like it slightly increases until 100 km per hour, and then the friction forces go up exponentially. Number 3 would be to use engine braking. While engine braking, your fuel consumption will be 0.0 liters per 100 kilometers. And that's because the wheels will power the engine and not vice versa. If you are coasting or driving in neutral, whether you have an automatic or a manual transmission, especially if you have a manual transmission, you will have a fuel consumption. You'll have like 1, 2, 3 liters per 100 kilometers. While in engine braking, you will have 0. Number 4 would be to anticipate traffic. If you accelerate hard and then you brake hard, you will basically add extra wear to your brake system, brake pads, brake discs, and you will also increase fuel consumption. So a great rule for a lower fuel economy is to anticipate traffic. And number 5 would be avoid driving at top speed. When you drive at top speed, basically your poor little engine will do its best to achieve the best performance, and usually the best performance will be achieved at higher costs. In our case, fuel economy will increase, fuel consumption will increase. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else to add about fuel economy. If you have any other tips and tricks to save fuel, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already on both channels, especially on the newer one in Romanian if you're from Romania, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.